Did you know your dog might be able to smell time? Yeah, not read it, smell it. Dogs have up to 300 million smell receptors. That's 40x more than you. But here's the wild part. They can detect scent trails as they fade through time. So when you leave for work every day, your dog knows exactly how long you've been gone based on how strong your scent still is. Forget clocks. Your dog might be the most loyal timekeeper on Earth. Some scientists believe dogs can even smell what's about to happen next, because your daily habits leave scent patterns on the air.